Good morning from Grandfather Farm. Today's Thursday. It's a little after 7. And it's like 74 degrees. It's already getting warm. Anyway, come down to Milk Selah. Piece of Milk Selah. I've topped off all their waters, the animals, and gave hay to the ones that needed it. And it's now 75 degrees. Be a hot one. Well, Kent's here with a people wagon. We're gonna do some repairs on it. Kent's gonna turn around, that way it'll roll off a lot easier. Well, Kent's taking his tractors home. Yeah, we're gonna work on this trailer here. That front axle is bent, so we're gonna pull that off and get straightened and repack the wheel bearings. And we're gonna sand down these sideboards here and put the actual club logo on it, and the word's bigger. Of course, this project will not be started right away. It is very hot, and we're gonna try to do it when it's cooler, and it may take a little while, but it's a good club project. Might have some other members want to come over and work on it too. It's 93 degrees out here, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this mowed so I get some water on this up here. It's not looking very good. The new lawn needs water as well. Yeah, it's after 7 and it's still 86 degrees. The wind's picked up, so it doesn't feel that hot. Still have to mow down there where the people wagon is. I'll have to move it with a tractor or something. Lisa and Cody milked Selah. We'll have to go down and rein the pigs, check their water one more time. And I go ahead and mow this little section here since it's cooled down nicely. Doc helped me move the people wagon off the grass so I can mow. Okay, the hens sell food, water, so they're good to go. The pigs got the grain, they don't have water. I'm going to throw a little more hay to the goats. Here you go, goats. Some good looking alfalfa right here. Hey, you got to share. Those big lips love that grain. Sun's going down. I got a little bit more time. That way I mow this lawn. Just that little section right there. And I won't have to mess with it tomorrow. All I'll have to do is move the sprinkler around. Mowing on high. Well, I finished mowing it just in time. Sun's going down. Be back tomorrow morning, check on the chickens and the pigs and the goats. Well, thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.